What is up, YouTube? So Hannah Rae just got a roof basket, and she has other stuff for Betsy coming soon. But for today, we're starting with the roof basket, and we're putting that on right now. All right, here it is. Oh, it's pretty light. I thought it'd be heavier.
No, I can't like grab it all the way. My arms are too short.
How'd you get it in the car?
My dad.
Whoa.
David, don't break it.
I didn't feel like walking far from my tools, so they're in my car right now, so I just moved my car right up to where we're working. And I also have a quesadilla. Oh yeah, by the way, so the tires that Jevin gave me were really bad. The front driver's side especially. So temporarily.
Ugly, blown engine.
Temporarily, I just put the old ones back on, and I have tires coming on Saturday. So it'll look good again soon. But we're focusing on Betsy right now. Alright, we just went to Home Depot because we had to pick up a clear coat. Because a friend of ours said that he bought his own roof rack and it just started rusting like really quickly. So we're gonna clear coat it, put some extra layer protection on it, and put it on.
Yes, got it, David.
This is so difficult to do because you have to really like push it together. Oh, there we go. It's like a little game. You have to push it together without pushing the nut out, but you also have to keep it lined up. Oh, there is a sticker today. I took it. So at Brookdale in the auto shop, they have all these magazines, and there was this one I was looking at, and they had a sheet with all stickers, and one of them was for PB Blaster, and it said, "Don't bust your knuckles, bust your nuts." I thought that was so funny.
How excited are you?
That's how excited I am.
Betsy's gonna look so cool.
I have food in my teeth.
Wait, let me see. There's nothing there.
Oh, it feels like there is. Okay, so we just kind of put it on top, and it looks a little funny, but I think it's just because the rims aren't black, and also
Guys,
it doesn't have the extensions.
there's a lot of new stuff coming for Betsy. You just have to wait. She looks really ugly now.
Yeah. But are you gonna buy the extension or what? I think it'll look a lot better with an
I
extension.
think so.
How much is it?
I don't know.
No. But yeah, that's what's happening. This is kind of a boring vlog. We're just putting something together. Whatever. It happens. Sometimes I do boring car stuff, but
It's gonna get 5 views.
yeah.
Whatever.
If we get 4 likes,
Yeah.
we'll
Buy the extension.
Yeah, we'll buy the extension if we get 4 likes. And we just realized that we could actually loosen the bar on her roof rack, or on her roof, and slide this back and forth so it'll look a little better. Where are we moving it? Right there?
I think so. It probably won't make a difference to anyone else but me.
No, I think it looks a little better.
Okay.
It doesn't look like it's seated far back.
Yeah.
Cool. She looks pretty good. I like her. Oh yeah, so that was actually like a lot more easy than I thought it was gonna be. I was kind of worried that we were gonna have to custom fit stuff, and I was worried that I was just gonna have trouble lining up with the bars on the roof, but it went pretty easy. Now we're just gonna get extensions.
Yeah.
And yes, like Ray said, there's more stuff coming for Betsy. You guys will see soon. Just stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.